Bye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys how to make Mie Goreng Nepali style. So guys, these are the ingredients. Hi guys, I would like to explain about little bit about Mie Goreng. Mie Goreng is Indonesian name, so like a stir fry noodles. So it is very popular Asia, South Asia. So nowadays also popular in the United States, and it will take like of 7 to 10 minutes for preparation. So guys, the taste is like a spicy and little bit sour. So I'm going to ready 2% Mie Goreng noodles. So this is a 6-ounce chicken. So you need to cut julienne style. Chop 3-piece garlic. Western scallion onion slice. One pork choy. So 200-gram cabbage, julienne style. Two eggs. Half teaspoon sugar and whisk like 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to mix sauce. So 2 tablespoons ketchup, regular ketchup, 2 tablespoons. Sesame oil, 1.5 spoon. Sesame oil, guys. Regular soy sauce, 1 spoon, tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce. White vinegar, 1 teaspoon. White vinegar. And brown sugar, half teaspoon. And mix well. 30 seconds. Like that. 30 seconds. So this is for the Mie Goreng sauce. So I mix sauce. So this is sauce and bean sprouts 100 gram, cabbage, regular cabbage 200 gram, chicken 6 ounce, the pork choy 100 gram, scallion onion 50 gram, and chili paste, garlic and chicken paste powder. First step, I'm going to boil noodles. So it will take like only 3 minutes. So this is a boiled water. So it's boiling. So I put already inside 1 tablespoon salt and oil. So now stop the fire and you just drop the lo mein noodle. Just keep 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes you could take out. I'm going to make a ribbon egg. Guys, I'm going to make now Mie Goreng, and so add the 2 tablespoon olive oil. So make sure pan is hot. So after 30 seconds, so you add the garlic chop. So use the chopstick or tongue. And this is a 6 ounce chicken breast, julienne. So cook 1 to 2 minutes like that. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, so add the pork choy, scallion onion, the stem part, and bean sprouts. And add the cabbage. And cook 1 minute. So when you cook, you stir all the time because it's gonna get burnt. So be careful. Every second, 2 to 5 seconds, you move like that. So after 1 minute, so I'm going to add the noodles. Okay guys, this is a Mie Goreng noodles, 12 ounce, 350 gram. So I'm going to add after 1 minute over here. And just mix together well. After that, this is a chicken base powder, half teaspoon. And chili paste 1 teaspoon. So if you like more spicy, you could put like a 1 spoon. And this is the sauce. So all put together. And make sure guys, mix well together. The sauces goes to the noodles and vegetable. Slowly the color is changing and the sauce is going to everywhere. Mix well. So just cook like 1 minute more. After that, they're ready to go. So this is after 1 minute. Look that guys, it's very delicious, yummy, and the flavor is came like spicy and little bit sweet. And I'm going to add scallion onion, diced scallion onion. And later I'm going to add also the vegan eggs. So look at that, it looks delicious. Wow. Okay guys, this is a ribbon egg. So I'm going to cut now julienne. Just roll like that. It's called ribbon egg. After that, you slice. Okay, I'm going to add lomen, Mie Goreng lomen. And scallion onion on the top. So now it's ready. Look at the Mie Goreng, Nepali style. So I'm going to now taste Mie Goreng. So I'm so excited to taste. So guys, patient. This is the bean sprouts, scallion onion, ribbon eggs, and noodle. Look at the noodles. Ooh, very hot and wow! I'm so excited. So spicy, smoky flavor, spicy, and texture is very perfect, delicious, little bit sweet and sour. Oh my god, it's amazing, guys. 100% guarantee you could make at home so easily and very delicious. So all the time you guys tried already same noodles at home. So try different noodles also and different cuisine also. And it is very popular everywhere. And guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion about this video, please don't hesitate to write comment in box. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.